to Talk Right with Kaz, where we unravel the mysteries of IP. I am Mahrukh Kazmi, and with me is our IP expert, Zubair Kazmi.
Hi, Maru.
Today's topic is a gem. How costly is IP? And how a small business make sure and make a smart move to be successful in the long run. So, Zubair, let's address the elephant in the room, the cost factor. Some SMEs are hesitant in investing in the IP registrations in the beginning. What's your take on this?
If you're thinking about the cost, it's not the value. It means you're not valuing your brand. Your brand is your child, so you have to invest in your brand. So cost is the secondary thing. It's you how much protection you get it from this investment.
Yes, but many SMEs might be on the fence about the registration. So, what do you think? How does the cost of IP registration stacks up against the court cases in case of infringement?
Cost of registration is a fraction what you may be result in the legal costing. See, if there is an infringement case against you, that will cost a lot. So before going having to face any infringement case, people should spend for the registration, which is a fraction of what you may end up.
So, you mean it's more of a pay now and save later kind of situation?
Definitely.
But some SMEs might don't prioritize doing the trademark registration. The reason being it's not compulsory.
There's a lack of knowledge basically. It's not compulsory it's not compulsory, but it's very essential. Your brand is your value, so it should be from the start it should be protected.
Okay, and here's another angle to it: the goodwill. What do you think? Like how early a business it starts generating its goodwill?
The first impression you make, the first move you make, your goodwill starts from that day. The day you bring in your brand into the market or your creativity into the market, your goodwill starts.
So you are saying that if the brand is unprotected and coming into the market, there is a lot on stake for them.
See, if you are you want to stay long term into the market, then yes, you must do it from the initial stage. It's not the time that you start checking the market.
So you mean it's more of like it's not just like surviving; it's about the thriving into the market.
Yes.
Okay, now tell me. I'm talking about the perception. It's it's a game of perceptions. How the brands which comes into the market already getting the trademark registration before hitting the market, how they are perceived in the market by the customers and in the market generally, how they are perceived. Because according to me, I think it's a very bold move to get the IP registration done and then hit the market. What's your take on this?
It's not only a paperwork. It's basically a statement you are making to the world that you are serious in your business and your symbol, the symbol which is with your brand shows that you are planning to be long term into the market. Your credibility and how serious you are.
Very good. So, but again, I'll say this: how costly it is for the SME, for the entrepreneurs.
See, if you calculate the overall procedural cost, yes, it's very high, very high.
Maybe for
it may be high, but there's a time frame under which it has to be registered. So the cost can be divided in different factors, different time frames, and this is provided by all industry experts.
And here you have it, guys. The lowdown on how costly is IP and how SMEs can use effective strategies to be in the long run. Stay connected, stay savvy. Kazmi signing off.